Hi guys, welcome to Titostutor, your math pedagogue. In today's video, we're going to start a series of videos on binary system. By the end of this series, you'll be able to express number in bases other than base 10. You'll be able to convert numbers from base 10 to other bases and vice versa. You'll be able to express numbers using the binary system. You'll be able to convert numbers from base 10 to base 2 and vice versa. You'll be able to add, subtract, and multiply numbers in base 2. You'll be able to use binary system in a simple computer application such as punch cards and punch tape. So that's what this series of videos is going to be about. I want us to know that we normally count in base 10 and most people count in base 10 as well. That doesn't mean that there isn't any other number base. Okay, let's take a look at the number 4956 in our base 10 system. When we want to write the place value of this number, see what we do. The unit is the last digit on your right, and 6 is in the place value of units. 5 tens, 9 hundreds, and 4,000. The place value of each digit is normally in the powers of 10. That means if you want to write 4,956 in an expanded form, you're going to do 4 times 10 raised to the power of 3, which will give you 4,000. 9 times 10 raised to the power of 2, which will give you 900. 5 times 10 raised to the power of 1, which will give you 50. And 6 times 10 raised to the power of 0. Remember, anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. So that's equally saying 6 times 1, which is 6. So you notice that in 4,956, there are 4 digits. So because you're starting with 0, your first power will be 1 less. 4 digits, that means your first power will be to the power of 3. 1 less than 4. So, and it keeps reducing as you go on. So it's 10 raised to the power of 3, 10 raised to the power of 2, 10 raised to the power of 1, and 10 raised to the power of 0. Each time multiplying the number in that place value, and you add all the place values together, and you still get back to your number, which is 4,956. Some people traditionally count in 5s, others count in 20s. Using the method of the base 10 system, a base 5 system is in powers of 5. A base 20 system will be in powers of 20, and so on and so forth. So here's an example for us. In base 5, 342 would be written as 342 with FIVE spelled in a lower form. So that's going to be the base. If I want to expand that, you know that 342 is a number with 3 digits. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So my first power of 5 will be 2. So it's 3 times 5 raised to the power of 2 plus 4 times 5 raised to the power of 1 plus 2 times 5 raised to the power of 0. I have expanded that number in the power of 5 because the number is originally in a base 5. Now we're going to take 3 worked example on just expanding. So this video is actually to introduce you to numbers that are in order basis. Okay, so I'm going to expand this number. If I want to do that, see what I will do. I'll write 3, 2, 0, 7, 4, 5. It's in base 8. I want to expand. I'll write a tiny little 0. I keep counting to my left. 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my first power of 8 will be 5. So I'm going to expand this. This is equal to the number 3 times the base 8 to the power of 5. I'll add it to 2 times 8 to the power of 4. Add it to 0 times 8 to the power of 3. I'll add it to 7 times 8 to the power of 2. I'll add it to 4 times 8 to the power of 1. I'll add it to 5 times 8 to the power of 0. I have expanded that number and the power of its base. Look at this. It's a binary number. A binary number meaning that is in base 2. And this is where we're actually going to binary numbers, because these binary numbers are the numbers that computers understand. So this example says we should expand 11101 in base 2. As you can see, the only numbers in base 2 are 1s and 0s. You can't find 2 in base 2. Not possible. If it's in base 5, you will realize that the highest digit you can find in a base 5 number is 4. You can't see 5. Neither can you see numbers bigger than 5. And that's how it's applicable to other bases. Okay, so let's expand this. First, I'll write out the number 11101. I'll write a tiny little 0 on this. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just to help me know the power of 2 to multiply each number by. So let's go. 1 times 2 raised to the power of 4 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0. And I have expanded this number in base 2. If you're still watching this video till now, I want to say a big thank you to you for sticking by. Don't forget to like this video, share with anyone you think may need it, turn on my notifications so you don't miss any math video from me. Most importantly, please subscribe. Thank you. All right, so here's number 3 example, and it is to expand 533 in base 7. To expand this, I'm going to write the number again, right? Remember, it's in base 7, so it's going to be in powers of 7, but 0, 1, 2. First power will be 2. This is the same as 5 times 7 raised to the power of 2 plus 3 times 7 raised to the power of 1 plus 3 times 7 raised to the power of 0. And I have expanded. This is numbers in order basis. Thank you for watching.